guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. So excited to finally be back on YouTube. I know I was gone for like 2.5 years. What can I say? I've just been living life, working, raising children, you know. But I'm back today with a little haul. If you guys are not following me on my new Instagram account that I started last year, the suburban_mom, please do that. I am usually on stories daily. I post all things about my new house that I purchased last year, fashion, luxury, mommyhood, all the things. So please follow me on that platform for more consistent updates on what's going on. Okay, because we know YouTube, I'd be a little MIA. But let's just jump right into it. So I've been doing a little shopping, just a little bit, nothing crazy, but you know, we got some active wear, a couple pairs of shoes, some ice, you know. So let me just jump right into it. So I used to play tennis when I was younger, and I've always said, I'm gonna start back playing, Never really bit the bullet. Well, I bit the bullet like 3 weeks ago, and I started training again with a tennis pro. And so, of course, I had to up my activewear game, and you know I only shop at Lulu. Come on now. So I got these hottie shorts. I've actually already worn them, so they actually have a stain on them, but like, that's neither here nor there. In hot pink by Lululemon. I love these. Now they're show. They show. I mean, so short that the T is silent. But the great thing about these is that they actually have like underwear built in, which is a game changer because you don't have to worry about like flashing, and you know, the cheeks can breathe. The cheeks can breathe. So I love these. Do they have pockets? They don't have pockets. Oh, they do have pockets actually. I didn't even notice that. They have pockets on the side, little zip pocket. But yeah, super comfortable, and they just look cute even for like an athleisure look. Love those. And then of course I got the matching bra. These are in a size 4. I always wear a size 4 in bottoms at Lulu's because they run a little snug. And then I got the matching bra. I don't know what this bra is called. It actually has a stain on it too because I wore this to tennis yesterday. Love the like crisscross detail on the back. So flattering. I got this in a size 6, and they recommended that you size. This is actually the first bra I've gotten from Lululemon, but the sales associate recommends sizing up because they run really, really tight. I'm glad she recommended I size up in this because the 6 actually fits pretty good. So very happy with those pieces. Both are Lululemon, as I mentioned. And I actually got another pair of biker shorts, but I wore those like last week and they're dirty. So moving on with the clothes. You guys know I love Banana Republic. So I love linen shirts, linen shorts. So I found these like linen blend shorts from Banana. They're high-waisted, super, super cute. And I was like, just with a nice crisp like white button down, I think these are gonna look so bomb for summer. So I got this like fuchsia color. I guess I'm on a fuchsia kick. I didn't realize that, but it's been speaking to me lately. And then I got it in this beautiful, like, it's not a bright yellow. It's more of but it's not a mustard. It's like a, what is it? Cardinal? No, I can't think of the name. Yeah, maybe like a cardinal yellow. I think the light's kind of picking it up now. But I love these. They have pockets on the sides, like a cute pair of heels, like sandal heels for the summer. Bomb. Even with like a nude pair of like sandals and a white button down. So cute. So that's like all the clothes that I had. I mean, you guys know, clothes don't really do it for me. I'm gonna save the best stuff for last, so you guys watch to the end. So my parents actually got me a new pair of sneakers for Mother's Day. And if you follow me at the suburban_mom, you've already seen these. But I'm not really a sneakerhead. I'm not really into sneakers like that, but I do love me some Adidas NMDs. They're the cutest sneakers. Yeah, I just can't say enough good things about them. They come in a lot of different colors. I love these tennis shoes, and they're really the only ones that I wear. So I think my mom picked these out, and let me tell you, this woman knows me. Because look, they're white and nude. Bomb! And so if you guys have not worn Adidas, they run like almost a full size large. So these are actually a 6.5. I wear a 7.5, but I would recommend going in, getting measured for your first time so you like know what size you are. Cause I can also wear like, I can get away with the 7, they're a bit big. The 6.5 fits like perfect. So got these NMDs. I love these shoes. These are gonna be so good for like running errands on the weekends, going to the mall, like even brunch. Like I would wear these. You guys know you can wear tennis shoes with like pretty much anything, like even with dresses now. Like that's really so much the style. Like, you know, that's what the youngins are doing, the Gen Zers. And so we gotta acquiesce. We gotta keep up, millennials, okay? But love these, super, super cute. They're actually like a funny story. So you guys know I talk a lot. Maybe you guys don't know that, but I do. I like talk to everybody. So I had to exchange these because my mom got me a size 8. She must don't know me that good. But anyway, so I was like talking to the girl at Finish Line about how Adidas runs super big, and she was like, I wouldn't know because I only wear Jordans and Nikes. And I was like, oh, okay, bitch. Just kidding. But I was like, oh, she's a sneaker snob. I was like, oh, okay, well, okay. So then she like opens up the shoes and she was like, oh, these are cute. Oh, these are cute. She was like, I actually would buy these. I was like, that's what I thought, bitch. So then, y'all, I had to bring it way back. Let me tell you, I used to get so much flack for these shoes in high school because they're like kind of ugly chic. Is that a thing? They're ugly chic. That's the best way I can describe it. I did it. I got me some Birkenstocks. Oh, I don't know why these are whatever. I'll show you this one. I don't know why they're unbuckled. I hope she didn't give me like a return pair. No, I did it. I got me some Birkenstocks. You guys, you don't understand. I'm a mom now, okay? And on the weekends, when I'm chasing my baby around, I need some comfortable shoes. So, you know, your girl had to bring it back to my high school days and get me some cute Birkenstocks. Of course, I got white, you know, very fitting for summer. Gonna go with a lot of different looks. I just think these are classic. I don't care what anybody says. But these are classic. I love them. Get you some. Game changer, okay? And I'm actually thinking about getting like the natural kind of leather looking pair. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know. So yeah, Birkenstocks. This is probably like my favorite no, I can't say that. But I'm so excited about these. I'm so excited about these. Okay, I lied. I'm really excited about these. Like, I'm excited about everything I got. I'm just so grateful. But y'all. Now I had been wanting a pair of square toes, but I'm not spending whatever Bottega Veneta is asking, okay? Because I don't like them that much. But I got these from Nordstrom. They're by Steve Madden. Look at that. Like, oh my God, I just love this. This is gonna go with so much. Like, I can just picture this with like my girlfriend denim, like distressed jeans, and you know, a t-shirt, just like very casual, but like you still want to feel like dressed up a bit. Yeah, denim skirts, denim shorts. I mean, really anything you can wear these with. I mean, they're nude. You can never go wrong with a nude pair of shoes. So this is definitely like a staple for me. Having a nude sandal for summer, it's a must. So, and I don't know the style of these. I'll try to link everything down below. Oh, they're called the Tahani. They're the Tahani shoe. And I got a size 8 because that's all that they had and they fit. So I was like, fine. So the next piece, you guys are special. You guys are so special, let me tell you, because I just got these in the mail today. I ordered them last week, but they just came today. I haven't even opened them yet because I was waiting to open it with you guys, but I love sunglasses. I love accessories in general, but I have just a warm place in my heart for shades. I just think they're so cool. Like, they just can change the whole vibe of an outfit. So yes, I invested in some new sunnies. This is the most I ever spent on some sunglasses, okay? I don't spend a lot traditionally on sunglasses because I lose them, quite frankly. But I'm gonna show you guys the box. That's the thumbnail right there. the thumbnail. Okay. Miu Miu got me some Miu Miu. So if you guys don't know, Miu Miu is the under the same umbrella as Prada. They're like sister companies, and they're like, Miu Miu is like the more edgy sister of Prada. You know, Prada gives you very clean lines, very, you know, structured. Miu Miu does what Prada can't. Do you know what I'm saying? Like they test the boundaries a little bit, and I appreciate that to a degree. So let's see what I got. Now, I was saying on Instagram that I have never seen, like, I've never seen anybody with these sunglasses. I don't know. Maybe I'm not that cool, but I've never seen anybody with these particular sunglasses. You guys, can we just take a time to appreciate the packaging? Let's appreciate the packaging. Like, it's so beautiful. This kind of like mauve velvet, and then it has the matching case. I'm a sucker for stuff like that. I love good packaging, especially when you're paying, you know, when you're paying some coin, you have a certain level of expectation for the packaging, right? Okay, let's open them. Oh, damn. Let's try to do that again. Oh my God. She's cool. She's cool. Yeah. Yeah. She's that bitch. She's that bitch. She's that girl. Oh my. You guys. A moment of silence. A moment of silence for these shades. So they still have a sticker on them. But these are the Miu Miu Reveal sunglasses. So they actually have cuts on the bottom and the top of the lens. I'm like trying. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So these are them. These are the Miu Miu shades. You guys can see. Now these sunglasses need to be styled. You can't just, these aren't your everyday go with everything black sunglasses. I have my Celines for those. These need to be styled, and like you have to put some thought into what you're gonna wear these with, because they don't go with everything. I'm thinking like, you know, some dresses it'll go with, but kind of like for me, I'm thinking like maybe hair pulled back, like a very simple outfit, like maybe like a linen dress, maybe like a blousey linen dress, you know, something like that. I love that they're white on the back too, because it's just kind of like summery, but I'm thinking like bathing suit beach, like bomb. I've never seen these before. So I've never seen anybody with these particular sunglasses before. I just think they're really different and unique. They make such a statement. Very happy about those. The next item, it probably was the thumbnail, so it's probably what you've been waiting for. Maybe, I don't know. I got some ice. Treated myself. I always treat myself, but you know, I saved the best for last. So I got some ice. Icy. My mom has been wearing David Yurman for like 18 plus years. She was the first person I knew, I have seen to wear it. We ain't new to this, you know what I'm saying? But it is kind of more of a mature look. I've been seeing younger girls wear them now. And I'm working on my stack. I got my first one last year. I got the mini, like 3mm. So I wanted to get another bracelet to add to it. And I was just gonna get one of the like gemstone ones because they're cheaper than the one I got. But I saw this one and I was like, yes, I want it, I got it. 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 Okay, sorry about that. But literally what I sing to myself when I'm shopping. And actually, in all fairness, you guys, I've been wearing this like every day since I got it, but just for the sake of the video. This is the box. This is my first time seeing the box because I wore it out of the store. Okay. But that ain't nobody's business. Okay, so how do you open this? Oh, here we go. Oh my God. All this faulty shit. Okay. It fell, you guys. It fell. So this is the 5mm diamond, white diamond, David Yurman bracelet. I don't know like exactly the name of it. So you guys, I have been literally wearing this bracelet every day. It goes with everything, everything. And honestly, like, okay, so this is the one that I had, right? Just like basic. It has white diamonds in it. White diamonds, like clasp. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Okay. So I got this one to add to it. I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but it's just the white, it's white diamonds. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I like to wear it behind the mini. And then icy, okay? You guys, just stop. It looks, it's not, actually this isn't doing it justice, but it's really pretty. I like get compliments on it daily. Like, it's just a really stunning combination. I think I'm probably gonna get a few more just to add to the stack because I just love a beautiful David Yurman stack. I just don't think there's anything classier than like a stack of David Yurman. Like David Yurman just has like an elegance and class to it. So it's like, it's flexing. It's a little flexy because if you know, you know, but like it's still very understated. And I like that, especially because you guys know I can be a little bit of a label. So it's nice to have pieces that are still luxury that aren't super monogrammed or, you know, things like that. So, but yeah, that's my current stack, what I got going on. I don't think you can call it a stack until you have like 3. Yeah, I think 3 is a stack. So I don't know what this is. This is just a couple bracelets, but that next one, it'll be a stack. So I think what I'm gonna do for my Yurman is I think I'm gonna focus on like white golds. I think I want it like all white golds. I don't think I want any of like the gemstone ones yet, any of the gems, the colored gems. I saw this really deep blue one though that is definitely on the list. But I'm gonna probably add another white gold one to this little duet. So you guys, that concludes the end of this little haul. So glad and grateful to be back on the tube. Hope you guys enjoyed this. There will be more hauls to come. Also, I will be uploading a video hopefully within the next few weeks or so about my foyer renovation that I did in my condo. So if you guys like home decor, home renovations, vlogs, fashion content, please subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. There will be more things to come. Also follow me on Instagram at @thesuburban_mom. And until next time, bye you guys.